Welcome to week 2, running at a different location this week because I'm watching my friend's dog. Just gave him a walk, a 1 mile loop, and now going for my run. Did you tire yourself out? Yeah? Yep. I'll see you in a bit. See you in a bit, buddy. Working with this fella today. Woo! Back to where this fella is. Hello. Hello. Was a good morning. Oh, an easy shoot, so just gonna relax and take care of some computer stuff. But yes. Hi. Rocco and I are just here. Yeah, just gonna chill for the rest of the night. Take Rocco on a final pee break. And, yeah, see you tomorrow. It's about a little after 7:30 in the morning. Upper 40s, lower 50 Fahrenheit around here. It's cold. He thinks he's gonna go for a run with me. Rocco. He's ready for bed. Just gonna relax for the rest of the night. Been on my feet for really most of the day with, you know, today's training run and walking Rocco, you know, 3 times today. So, and I could definitely feel it. So I'm gonna just take it easy for the rest of the night, and we'll do it all again tomorrow. Good morning. It's Thursday. It's a cross training day, and let's go wake up our sleeping beauty. Good morning, buddy. Good morning. If you hadn't guessed by now, Rocco is a pretty fast walker. Faster than they usually would walk. Good morning, happy Saturday. Looks like some clouds have rolled in, but no rain just yet, so I think we should be good. I'm walking Rocco right now, so after we're done with him, and then we'll head to the LA River and do our 4 miles there, so I think we should be okay. I'm used to biking the LA River path here, so it's a completely new experience running it. It's actually quite nice. Might have to do this more often. sir. Alright, it is long run Saturday. Overall, felt pretty good. The clouds are pretty much overtaking the skies at the moment, so we got lucky with the bit of sunshine we were able to get this morning. So pretty glad about that, because I have no idea when the rain is supposed to come. Other than that, I did have a little ache on the side of my foot towards the end, but it wasn't too bad. So yeah, so we'll give this one a thumbs up. This is my current situation. Sir, I am not a pillow. Happy Sunday. It is still a bit chilly. It actually giving Rocco here my last walk with him. Yeah, that's that. Say bye, Rocco. Oh, you're such a good boy. You're such a good boy. Realized today was Sunday, so there's actually a farmer's market nearby where I am right now, so got a couple pupusas. Okay friends, we're gonna call it here for week 2. Was pretty good, not too bad. It's the same in terms of the weekday miles with a 323. We did increase our mileage just slightly for our long run with 4.5 miles. In this coming week, the mileage will start increasing slightly during our weekdays by at least half a mile. And then we'll continue from there, kind of build up until we reach that 12K. So it's gonna be good. And with that, we'll call it here. Thank you so much for coming back and keeping me accountable to my training. It's gonna start getting interesting, so do come back next week for week 3. Who knows what will happen then. But until then, I hope you're all doing well. Let me know in the comments. I'll see you all next time. Take care.